Welcome back. In this video, we're going to use Centroid to solve the problem. This is a triangle CAT. C is at 2, negative 5, A is at 6, 1, T is at negative 2, 7. We're going to find where is P. P is a centroid. So centroid, and what is x coordinate, what is y coordinate. I'm going to put down here centroid. Recall centroid is a point of concurrency of 3 medium. All right. First method I'm going to show you is a longer way. Then I'm going to show you the faster way, shorter way. Okay. Since it is a point of concurrency of 3 medium, and we know it's going to be landed here. This point M, I put it down here for you. This is going to be the midpoint of segment AT. So step 1, I'm going to find out M, what are you? If it's a midpoint of segment AT, all we need to do is to use the midpoint formula. We're going to add the x coordinate. You can say x sub 1 plus x sub 2. You can say x sub 2 plus x sub 1. Either is fine. I'm going to erase this, make it looking good for you. Divided by 2. And y sub 1, y sub 2 divided by 2. Alright, I'm going to add them. This is 6. This is negative 2. So 6 plus negative 2 divided by 2. And this is 1. This is 7. So 1 plus 7 divided by 2. 6 plus negative 2 is 6 minus 2. 6 minus 2 is 4. 4 divided by 2, which gives us 2. 1 plus 7 is 8. 8 divided by 2 gives us 4. All right, we got the midpoint of segment AT. Okay, next step. I want to figure out how long is CM. I'm going to connect the CM. Okay, because we know the centroid P gonna locate it somewhere on segment CM. So we need to figure out how long is CM. So step 2, I want to know the length of CM. Not hard at all. So I'm going to put down here M. We just figure out you are 2, you're 4. Did you see C and M? Both of them have the same x coordinate. That means all we need to do is to subtract the y coordinates, find its vertical distance. Of course, since you graph it, you can also count it. But why don't we go ahead and practice? You subtract our y coordinates. So 4 minus negative 5. Oh, you can say negative 5 minus 4, but put them in the absolute value and it gives you 9. Either one is fine, okay? Order does not matter. Now, you find the CM is 9, okay? And the next one, once you find the CM is 9, remember earlier there's a relationship is 2 to 3. 2 to 3 says the longer segment over the median is 2 to 3. Since we find the median length is 9, can we find the longer segment? Alright, all we need to do is to use 2 to 3 times 9. 2 to 3 times 9. Let's simplify, okay? Alright, if you already figure out, you can just fast forward this part. And simplify, and this is 6. 6 gives us the longer segment of this medium. Once we figure out this is 6, now all we need to do is to look at here. See, 6 and negative 5. 6 plus negative 5 gives us 1, which means the centroid is at 2, 1. All right? Now, we just found the centroid is 2, 1 by using 3 steps. What is the shorter method? I'm going to erase this. I think you're going to like the shorter method. But of course, we must understand the longer one first, okay? All right. Shorter method is you have a 3 point. I'm going to put down all 3 points here. Point C says negative. Point C says positive 2. And negative 5, and A says 6, 1, and T says negative 2, 7. To find the centroid, super simple. We need to add the x coordinate. Add all three of them. 2 plus 6 plus negative 2 divided by 3. That's right. Since we add all three, we're going to divide by 3. Next one, we're going to add all three of them. We say negative 5 plus 1 plus 7 divided by 3. Now we're going to simplify it. 2 and a negative 2 become 0, so 6 divided by 3, that is 2. Yes, yes. All right. And negative 5 plus 1 plus 7 divided by 3, that gives us 1. See, long method and a short method, both of them give us centroid. P is at 2, 1. All right. Happy learning.